Oh my goodness. What? Don't talk about me, please. I don't like it. Please don't.
Funny.
Okay. Oh my god. It is me once again, Maximo, and I'm here to. I'm here to do her hair. Miss Beauty. Miss who?
Miss Pretty.
Miss who? Miss Beauty. Yes. And so we are here to do her hair one more time. And my hair is such a mess. So I have to keep inside. Okay. Okay. So we have already put some of the. You know what? Let me back up a bit. Today we are going to be using these products. Yes. And these products are from the line. What do you call it? Pronounce that for me.
Cantu.
Come on, you can read it.
That?
What? Is that a D?
No.
Okay, what do you say this?
Cantu.
Is that a A?
No.
What letter is this?
You.
Yes, so can.
Cantu.
Yes! Today we are going to be using the product line from.
Cantu.
Yes, Cantu. You see, she knows how to read already. Oh my god, you are almost perfect. Okay, so we are going to be using this. We have already used a little bit of the conditioning detangler, right? Yes, we have used this. So let me show you the product. Okay, open. Voila. You see? You see? Yes, you see? Very bouncy, very juicy, and already detangled. You see? Just like butter. Just like, how do you say? Butter. How do you say this? Butter, right? Is this how you say America in your language? Butter?
Better.
Butter? No, butter. Like,
No, better.
no, like the thing you put on the toast is called what?
Butter.
Butter. Oh, butter. Butter. That's how you say it?
No, butter.
Butter. American language.
Butter.
You see? Okay. See, so bouncy, so juicy, so very, very sexy. You see? Oh my
You
goodness.
sexy.
Yes, I am. But this word is for adults like myself, okay? You
Yes.
are cute. You said it? You are?
Cute.
Yes, okay. Now let me see. Right now, what we're going to do, we are going to section some of the hair, and after we section some of the hair, then we got to put it in something very, very beautiful. So you see, now it is very detangled. We are going to use some of this Define and Shine custard. Yes, we use this, and we're going to mix a little bit with the curl activator.
Yeah.
And we do this because it's going to make it very shiny and very manageable to work with, right? Yes, okay. Now we're going to start, okay? You wait and you see some of the magic I do with this. Okay. Section, and we have put it in the style you want. You said you wanted the three, Frohawk style, bun, afro puff, right? Yes, combination of all of them we did, and now we finished off with these smooth edges. Let me lay you. I have to lay your edges. See, I have to lay, and I have to lay it here, and I have to lay it here, and I have to lay it here, and lay it here, 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 and here, and here. And voila. Show them the finished product. Show them the side profile. See? And show them this side. Has Maximo done it? Have I done it?
Yeah.
Give me some. Give me 3. Shh. And tell them, don't forget to
Subscribe.
yes. Bye bye.